Hello, my name is Sam Kennedy with Crestron. I'm here at Zoomtopia 2023. Wanted to show you some of the great new products that we're showing here at Zoomtopia. So first off, we've announced earlier in 2023 the new Crestron Videobar 70. And we've announced at the show that this Videobar 70 is now Zoom certified. And what's great about this device, it's an all-in-one, so it's the microphone, camera, speakers, and the compute to run that native Zoom room. And so, what we're able to do, it's really targeted at large rooms. You can see the camera there. I'm going to get out of the meeting really quick. You'll see the shutter close so that I can have that privacy when I'm not in a call. And so it really gives me that great experience. Let me get back into the meeting here, and you'll see it open up. What's really great about it is it has 4 different cameras. So there's 1 wide-angle lens and 3 narrow field of view focus lenses. So that allows us to get us that really high-quality video experience in rooms up to 30 to 35 feet. So those narrow field of view focus lenses, when it's doing the cropping to appear to be zooming, it gives you that really high quality experience. The other thing we're showing is the new Crestron 1080 touch controller. So in here, what we're doing is you can see it's wireless. I'm able to pick it up and walk around with it if I want to have the controls in my arm and be able to walk around. And then when I'm done, I'm able to put it back. But it allows me to get that great Zoom interface or any of the Crestron control interfaces, all in a nice new wireless touch interface. So with that, please come to www.crestron.com to learn more.